What's up, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So if you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Anushika and I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. Also follow me on Instagram, the handle is mentioned here on the screen and the link is given in the description. As I've read from today's title, I'm gonna do a swatch video after really long since I have done a lipstick swatch video. I guess the last lipstick swatch I did was last year. So I don't know if you are that kind of a person, but I always have different shade options for summers and winters. So today, as summer is here, I'm gonna swatch my favorite lipsticks that I like to wear during the summer season. And yeah, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. I really like to wear a little bright colors during the summer season, and I like to wear shades which are in the pink family, and a little brighter shades go really good for me. But in the winters, I like to wear wine and plum shades which are a little bit on the darker side. So I'm going to show you guys lipsticks which are in the pink family obviously, but also a few nudes as well, which goes really well during the summer season, as well as it looks really good on every single skin tone. So yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see all the swatches that I'm going to do in today's video. So don't forget to like this video, and yeah, let's start with the first lipstick. The first lipstick that I'm going to share with you guys today is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme, and this is in the shade Prague. It's a beautiful pink color, and I don't know if you guys have seen my last video which was uploaded last year where I did my top 5 favorite lipsticks, and this was in that. So this is a second purchase of that particular lipstick. I love this, and this is a very nice pink shade, and it just looks really good on all the skin tones. So you don't have to be like thinking that it's not going to suit my skin tone or something, because there are a lot of people who think that pinks and brighter pinks don't suit their skin tone. But guys, this lipstick, trust me, is gonna suit every single skin tone. So this one retails for 599 rupees, but I got it for 300 rupees. There was a 50% discount or something that was going on Nykaa. And one comes in a doe foot applicator, as you guys can see, and it's a really good. It's very easy to apply lipstick using this kind of applicator. Now this is a soft matte lip creme, and as the name justifies, this is really smooth. It's not like those lipsticks which is very dry. I don't like sugar matte lipsticks. Those have a really dry formula, but this one has a very soft creamy texture, and it just, the lips feels really smooth, and you're not gonna feel dried out or anything. So yeah, definitely recommend this for you guys during the summers. So shade. Now you guys can tell that I don't like to wear very dark shades or something, but this is a little bit on the darker side, but again, it's a nice mauvey shade, and it looks really good in both the seasons, to be honest, and it just looks good with anything, trust me. So this is by Lakme. It's the Lakme Forever Matte's liquid lip color, and this is in the shade Mauve Ecstasy. It's a beautiful mauve shade, and it looks good with whatever you are wearing. It's a really nice subtle color, but it is yet very glamorous. So this lipstick is that kind of a lipstick which you can wear anytime. So that's why I have included this in my summer lipstick favorites as well. So now I got this lipstick, I guess, last year, so I definitely don't remember the exact MRP of this, but I am gonna share with you guys is this one by My Glam. This is the My Glam's Ultimate Longwear Matte Lipstick. This one is beautiful. Now, as you guys know by now, I have become a fan of My Glam lipsticks. Those are amazing. Their quality, their texture, their matteness of the lipstick is super amazing. So this one was in the shade Goddess. I got this in a My Glam PR, but oh my god, I love this, especially when you're doing a bold eye makeup and you want to go for a nude lipstick. It's really good. How the lipstick shade is, I'm definitely going to swatch it for you guys, but this is in this kind of a rotating pen type lipstick, and it's really smooth to apply it. It glides really smoothly on your lips, and it's very nicely it is a very nice matte lipstick, and the texture is amazing. So generally a lot of people don't like to wear very bright colors everywhere. Even I am a person who doesn't like to wear bright lipsticks everywhere, especially in colleges or when you have to attend a meeting or something. Bright colors don't look good everywhere, trust me. But a nude lipstick never goes wrong. Now, very easy to carry it as well. You can easily drop it in your bag and carry it anywhere that you want, and this is just going to look amazing. So definitely going to recommend you guys to try this out. I really Now the next 3 shades that I have here is from Avon. So the first shade is my ultimate favorite, and I guess you guys have seen me wearing this lipstick almost in every single one of my videos, and that is the Avon Simply Pretty in the shade Malva. Now it's a very beautiful shade, and I have recommended this shade to so many of my friends, and trust me, they love it. So this is a very nice soft mauve nude color, I would say. It's not exactly a very bright shade, it is quite nude, and it just looks so freaking good. It's a very soft color, and this lipstick I used to carry every single day to my college. So yeah, this goes good for any occasion. If you have to attend a party or something, also you can wear this lipstick. It's a very daily wear lipstick as well. So definitely recommend you guys to try it out. If you have not yet tried any Avon lipsticks, then trust me, those are really good. And if I had to suggest one lipstick that you should and must try out, then you go for this shade. This is Malva by Avon. And next shade that I have here is again a very nice magenta hot pink color, and that is this shade right here. It's again by Avon. It's their True Match range, I guess, and this one is in the shade Mauve Matters. It's a really nice pink. It's the pink color that I'm wearing on my eyes, this is the exact same. So it's a very nice rich pink color and suits every single skin tone again. So all the lipsticks that I'm going to show here is something that every skin tone can wear. So I don't have a very fair skin tone, and I have dusky skin tone, and the lipsticks that suit my skin tone is going to suit a lot of us Indian girls right here. So it is definitely going to suit you as well. These are like my favorite lipsticks. Okay, so obviously I'm going to recommend you guys to try it all that I show here, and if you do, then do let me know how you like the shade. Especially I would really like it if you tried this one out by Lakme and the NYX one and Lakme one. If you tried out, or if you have it and if you have tried it out, let me know how you like that, because these two are like my literally favorites. Last lipstick that I'm going to show in today's video is this one by Avon again. It's from their red range, I guess, and this is a brick red color. So I don't like to wear bright reds during the summer season. But in winters I like to wear reds and all, but this is like a burnt orange or a brick red color. Let me show you the swatch so that you guys can understand the color. So this is the shade. You guys can see it's a really nice, it's a pretty bright color, and look, it goes good with any color of outfit that you're wearing, and it's good for any occasion. Like, try it out, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, because I've never tried a brick red color before, but this was my first ever purchase of something which was in the brick red color, or you know, something like that. But oh my god, my mind was blown off when I saw how amazing the texture is, how amazing the color looked. So you can see in the swatch as well, this lipstick is beautiful. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Follow me on Instagram. I make fashion and beauty related content, and the tutorial of this look is in my Instagram handle, so please go and watch it. I'm sure you're gonna love doing this. It's a very easy, glamorous look, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love doing this as well. So the link to this look is also mentioned in the description box, so please do not forget to check out the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.